What's a Lego vacuum engine do? Can I pull up a chair with you?
Yeah.
What's a Lego vacuum engine do?
Makes the piston spin.
Like a car engine piston? That's pretty dope. Was this a kit or something you had, or is this something you just kind of made up?
Something I kind of just made up.
Oh. Kid to do.
That. Should put onto here. Let's see. Cool. Making a Lego vacuum engine.
It's pretty cool.
Okay. Did I just put that on backwards? Yes, I did, didn't I? Bing, bang, I'm missing something. Okay, I see now. I see. These pieces do not need to be here. Almost. There we go. I know it's not the piston part, but it's the valve part right here. So like when I try to spin this, it's locked up. Tire on here to act as a seal. And this will just plug onto the back of there like so. Once I get it plugged in and turned on. Yes, oh yeah, the throttle's not supposed to like close all the way. There's a little block, a brown block in there that has a hole in it. Because if it closes all the way, it won't idle correctly.
Oh. So do you have a throttle problem then, since it didn't go, or did it? What do you got going on?
It's a timing problem between the valve and the piston.
What does that mean, timing?
So like when the piston's supposed to be up and the throttle's supposed to be down to keep the air from like, or to suck the air up so the piston drops back down. Because the two holes right here in here
Where?
line up.
What two holes?
The ones inside of here are supposed to line up.
Okay.
And then once they're lined up, it allows the vacuum to suck the air out to make the piston drop down. And then once the valve comes down, and then this little L-shaped kind of piece right in there covers up the holes. It makes it to where it has air back in it, so it can go back up.
So the valve can go back up.
Gotten that backwards.
That's okay. I got the idea. It's the air necessary to push the valve up and down, basically. You said there's something that's uneven. What do you mean uneven?
So like when this is trying to go up, and there's like something that's just turned just slightly the wrong way, while this is trying to go up, it like gets caught up on that and then slows down a bit. Because before, this would spin a lot more. Like after I spun it.
Even after adding a little bit of vegetable oil? Now what did the oil do?
It just makes it to where, so when it's rubbing up against the sidewalls right here, instead of like having a bunch of
friction.
Friction. So like say you took these two Lego pieces and went like that, it starts to get hooked on it, but then you go like that and it doesn't get as hooked on it.
That's interesting. So can you use used vegetable oil or new vegetable oil?
You can use used if it doesn't have any like little bits of anything in it. But I would recommend new. And like all you need is like a little drop, because it goes a long way with this. Well, that could be our problem. The throttle probably wasn't on there all the way.
Well,
so it's at a weird angle.
There's a first.
Guys, what's up? I'm Tyler, and today I'm going to be showcasing my Lego Vacuum Engine. So in the last video, it wasn't running for some reason, and I think I figured out why. And it's because the flywheels were too light. So I had that little tiny one on there. Now I have these two bigger ones. And then I also changed up the design a little bit. So like back here, this isn't just that big old piece. And then it has these two bars right here coming across on both sides. So this part is actually held on better. And then the throttle just sits right up here. And then besides that, it's the same design. And you connect the vacuum right up to here. Take your vacuum, as long as it has a circle end like this and doesn't have anything like this or anything sticking up right here, your tire should fit on nice, like that. You have to make sure it's even. And then you turn on your vacuum.